Okay, so I try to connect the email by browser Firefox. Okay, this email not appear automatic the name. Okay. Okay, this the mail from the Burapha University. This is the connect to Microsoft Exchange. In general, uh, the website from university must be connect to Microsoft Exchange, but sometimes the Firefox browser cannot support the automatic name. So I can show you. Okay, slash, okay. I try to send a new message and I try to Kissanai. This is the show this the memory of browser, not in the name in the list name in here. The Firefox cannot the show automatic name. So I change to the browser from IE Internet Explorer. Mhm. Okay, example. I choose the Internet Explorer and version 8. Mhm. Okay, and I going to the site Burapha University. Okay, start mail. Okay, so I try to connect my email with Internet Explorer browser. Okay, this the face of web page this change because Internet Explorer the better support for the email from university with the Microsoft Exchange, and I try to new message. Mhm. And I try to searching my email with kisanai@live.com. Kisanai. Here we go. You can see here the automatic name. Uh, yeah, yeah. This is really good because probably you should be the install the new Internet Explorer or the new version of blah 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 for browser. So if I choose the remember the password, you going to the content tab and button setting. Mhm. You can check this here, username and password on form. Ask me before saving password or blah blah blah. You can choose the automatic. Mhm. This is the memory from internet browser. Okay, so I suggest to you to update the browser again, and I send link to you by email. Okay, so uh, maybe the internet is very low speed. Sometimes the automatic name cannot show on the you. Okay, if you have a problem, I will try to send solution, and maybe I will go into your office for fix this. Okay, see you Friday.